Here we go! For Bibb County! Here we go!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bibb County until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Harrisburg, or near Brent, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brent, Centerville, Lawley, Talladega National Forest, Ashby, Brimfield Ironworks Park, West Centerville, Randolph, Trio, 6 Mile and Bibb County Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Bibb, Alabama.
Here you go.
The current time is...
Here we go!
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Chilton County until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Talladega National Forest, or 8 miles southeast of Centerville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Calera, Clanton, Jemison, Thorsby, Gap of the Mountain, Lay Lake Dam, Chilton County Motorsports Park, Mitchell Lake, Lay Lake, Minooka Park, Lomax, Waxahachie Creek, and I-65 Rest area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Chilton, Alabama.
Here you go.
Significant weather advisory for northern...
Thunderstorm watch is just issued.
Hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage...
A severe thunderstorm watch has just issued.
and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted...
Here we go.
Centerville, Lawley.
Here we go! The severe thunderstorm watch!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 142, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, and Shelby. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 142 has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a small stream flood advisory for Tallapoosa County, Coosa County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause small stream flooding in the advisory area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alexander City, Dadeville, Goodwater, Camp Hill, Rockford, Kellyton, Weoguska, Jackson's Gap, New Site, Hanover, Lisle, Pentonville, Dollar, Bradford, Cottage Grove, Bentleyville, Moriah, Hatchet, Nicksburg, and Gillibugri. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots.